You're watching NewsX and I'm Savri Jindal. Top focus this hour, of course, developments that have taken place in Pahalgam, where the Pahalgam terror attack is easily the most heinous terror attack Jammu and Kashmir has witnessed since the Pulwama terror attack. The official confirmation right now is that 2 people have been killed while dozens have been injured. The attack happened at around 2:30 p.m. when 4 terrorists wearing masks opened fire on a group of terrorists. The terrorists fired incessantly at the tourists, which caused major panic with people running in all directions. The Home Minister has reached Srinagar. Chief Minister is reaching Pahalgam. High-level meetings have been held and operations to nab the terrorists have begun. Breaking news coming in at this point of time, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi has landed back in Delhi after cutting short his official 2-day state visit to Saudi Arabia in view of the Pahalgam terror attack in Kashmir. The Prime Minister has been accompanied by National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, and he has touched down in the national capital. My colleague Mehndi with us on the broadcast. Mehndi, of course, very shocking incident has taken place, the Pahalgam terror attack. The Prime Minister has cut short his visit. He's back in Delhi. Take our viewers to the details.
Well, indeed, Savri, Pahalgam has experienced the deadliest attack in the valley since the 2019 Pulwama bombing, and because of that, also immediately upon his arrival in Delhi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has convened an emergency meeting at the airport with National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, and also Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri in the view of the unprecedented attack that claimed at least 28 lives in Kashmir's Pahalgam yesterday. And Prime Minister Modi has cut short his state visit to Saudi Arabia and rushed back to India after, more than 20 people, around 28 people have lost their lives, mostly Indian tourists being attacked by terrorists. Faced yesterday, and also at least around 26 to 28 people got killed and 20 others injured in the terrorist attack that happened yesterday in Pahalgam, a region of Anantnag district in Jammu and Kashmir. And also the death toll has reached now around 28, and all these were tourists who were there in the valley, with their families, with their couples and with their partners. So yes, as per the senior officials also that we are getting to know, Asabi, that in the victims there are 2 foreign officials and 2 local residents, although further details have yet to be released, and a list of all the deceased and injured people have been provided by the officials as well. And it is a very heinous terror attack that has been observed yesterday, and one of the terrorist organizations has taken confidence that they are responsible for this particular attack. But following the attack, also Asabi, Home Minister Amit Shah arrived in Srinagar to assess the situation yesterday evening only, and he already has shared a high-level meeting with Chief Minister Omar Abdullah and also the top security officials. And today also, as Prime Minister Narendra Modi has come back from his Saudi Arabia trip, which was scheduled for 2 days, but he has cut short his trip to 1 day, and now also high-level meetings are scheduled for today as well. A high-level meeting has already happened with NSA, with the External Affairs Minister and Foreign Secretary. But now a CCS meeting is also scheduled, and the preparations for the next move, what India will do, will be discussed in these particular high-level meetings. And also, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also spoken to Amit Shah over the phone when he was in Saudi Arabia and urged him to take all the necessary steps in response to the incident, because yes, it is a very heinous terrorist attack that has been observed yesterday. People were asked about their religion, and then the terrorists shot them in front of their families. So indeed, now all the higher authorities, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister, all are having the high-level meetings with the officials to decide further roadmap and to further decide what India will fight back in this particular situation. Yes, Asadu.
Absolutely, Mehndi. Stay on with us. Breaking news coming in at this point of time, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi took a briefing with External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar, NSA Ajit Doval, Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri and other officials after landing back in Delhi in view of the Pahalgam terror attack in Kashmir. Mehndi, of course, more details coming in at this point of time, where a meeting has also taken place. The Prime Minister has been given a review about the situation on the ground. If you could take our viewers through the developments and the details that we have with us.
Well, indeed, a Soviet terrorist yesterday struck Pahalgam in South Kashmir, which killed around 28 people, and the targeted attack on tourists has shocked the nation and the global community as well. And in the view of that, the Home Minister Amit Shah has already reached Srinagar yesterday only and held a high-level meeting with all the authorities and also Jammu and Kashmir government and the Chief Minister Omar Abdullah. But now Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also cut short his Saudi Arabia visit and has landed to the national capital back and on his return to New Delhi, cutting short his visit to Saudi Arabia following this particular terror attack. He has already, chaired a high-level meeting with NSA Ajit Doval, with the External Affairs Minister S. Shankar and also Foreign Minister Vikram Misri. And the visuals we are showing to the viewers as well, that a high-level meeting with all these officials, NSA Ajit Doval, with S. Shankar, the External Affairs Minister, and also Vikram Misri has already been done by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi as soon as he has reached back to Delhi, and at the airport only this particular meeting happened, and the visuals also came when Prime Minister Narendra Modi was coming out of his airjet, and NSA Ajit Doval accompanied him, and after that this particular meeting happened. And amid this the time of grief as well, and the nation is completely struck with this terror attack, because the innocent people, the terrorists who were there in Pahalgam district, who were there to enjoy their summer vacations and vacations with their families, have been struck with such a heinous terror attack that has happened in Pahalgam yesterday. And all the high-level meetings is chaired for today as well, a high-level meeting. The CCS meeting is also yet to be happened today. It is scheduled already, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be holding the high-level security meetings with all the high authorities, and already he has had a conversation with Home Minister Amit Shah, and he has guided him to take all the necessary steps, whatever is necessary in view of this particular terror attack. And the attack come on the heels of the Pakistan Army chief reiterating the two-nation theory also, and months after the reported Hamas gem meet in Pakistan. And also this terror attack happened when the US Vice President JD Vance is in India right now, and when
Absolutely, Mehndi, stay on with us. We also have some more news coming in where defense officials have shared that one